One of the really great features of the Alarm.com app is that your cameras and your access control are all together in one app. It's the same interface. You don't have to like get two different systems to monitor activity and also be able to access the literal physical doors in and out. We get deliveries here at weird times when we're in the back checking fermentation or cleaning a tank, and to be able to just go, oh cool, I'm just gonna buzz them in right now. All that kind of functionality, it's all right there in the app. I mean, it's fantastic, you know?